Good morning. I've got chainsaw on my table today. This is it's a Black and Decker, as you can see, but the guy put a 2-inch longer blade on of a McCulloch. But this is not a problem. Something is not correct here. So let's open up and see what is the problem there. And I see the blade is very loose. Okay, let me take that covers off there. Okay, let's look together. How we look inside. I removed that 2 screws there. Okay, I think I've got a tool here, so I think we must remove that nut. Jill. Okay, I'm going to remove that quickly. I believe we will then see what is the problem. Okay, and now we can remove the whole blade, and I want to keep the chain straight, because you know what happened when that blade get tangled. Okay, let's see. What is going on? Okay, there's a pin. So it needs a little bit of investigation to see what's going on, guys, and maybe clean it up first for us. Okay, guys, I had once the same problem with the other chainsaw. You see this little pin there? This must sit flush there. It must sit about in this position. This must come out to the front in order to grab on one of that holes that you see there. And this is the adjustment for the tightness. But what I experience now, you can see it is very loose. It can drop inside. So this is this is more flash, and it must sit like this to take that hole in order to adjust the blade. But it seems if something is gone, that must go in there to press on that part there to hold it to sit flush like that. So now what happened, it just drop in and the blade can do whatever it wants. And this tell me also something, that it was something that slide in from this side. And I had the same problem with the other chainsaw from somebody. So I think I'm going to put in something there, rubber or plastic or something, just to hold it in that position so that you can adjust it. So it must be something that was, people lose it when they open it and did not see that, and now they have a problem. So that is what I think. So I'm going to do that plan, because I can't see that this will work. There's no way, no way. All right, let me see what I can come up with. Okay, guys, I put a piece of wood in that cavity just to have a space for that little screw type thing to glide when you tighten it. That's my first plan, and it seems if it works. I did not put the chain on. I just want to check the effect, and it seems to work, so I'm going to take it off and show you. Okay, let me show you. So you can see there the piece of wood, but it's actually not good enough. So I test my plan. I'll do something better there now. Okay guys, let me show you what I've done. On my hand, that cavity from the side looked like that. So this is the one side, and then it have a deep area, and it go like that. And then I force that wood in that to fill that cavity. And then I put a plastic in this area. So now the part that must grab the blade sit up to there, and the little point sit nice and out. So let me show you. So there is the plastic, and the wood is underneath, and this will sit now perfectly like that. 100% where it should be. So this will work wonderful. So let me put that all together and bring you back. Okay guys, I got it now so far, and you can see there it protrudes very nice. So I'm going to put this plate on now and secure it with a nut and bring you back. Okay guys, everything is back together apart from this cover here, but I think we must start it up and see. I secured it a little bit. The blade was a little bit loose, but it works when I screw that screw on the other side. So maybe we want it and it will turn. And we will check the oil as well. Okay guys, I think it's time to test it. I will check if it works okay. I will put the cover back on the other side, but let's give it a run so that the belt or the chain can settle if it works. Okay, I will adjust it a little bit. Okay, I'll bring it back again. Okay guys, that looks okay for me. And I fill up the oil. Okay my friends, it's all back together and works like it should. So I think this was another job saved and well done. Right, see you on the next project. Bye bye.